So for those of you looking to record your activities after Power Hour in Productivity Bootcamp and Ignite and Power Day, use the MyTracker. So I'm going to show you now how to log into the MyTracker and what the different fields are. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go up to the address bar and enter in this address. It's mykw.kw.com/mytracker. That's mykw.kw.com/mytracker. And when you click on that, it's going to ask you for your kw.com username and password. So I'm going to enter in my username. This is the same username that you would go find to find Ignite materials and to log into KW Connect. And then my password. Okay. So notice I went right to this page. When you use that link, mykw.kw.com/mytracker, it takes you immediately to the board to enter in your activities. So today is the 7th, so we see Tuesday right here, the 7th. And now it's going to ask me how many people I added to my database, how many connections or conversations that I had today, how many handwritten notes and follow-ups did I do, and then how many properties did I preview today and this week. Now, for those of you that are focused on rentals, I highly recommend that you preview 10 properties a day. For those that are focused on sales, 10 properties a week is a good minimum. So let's say that I had 10 conversations, right? Because that's the daily 10-4. And in those conversations, my friends and people in my database, they introduced me to 5 new people. 5 new people added to my database. This is full contacts. And a full contact is a name, a number, an email address, and a physical address, preferably where they work. Let's say I sent out, well, so for all 10 of those connections, I sent out 10 handwritten notes, 10 follow-ups, and then I previewed 5 properties today. So when I click save, it saves those entries. Now, underneath here, it says also want to enter milestones. When you schedule an appointment, when you get a contract signed, when you get a listing agreement signed, this is where you go to enter that information. So let's say I also scheduled 2 appointments today. So I'm going to enter milestones and I entered 2 appointments. You can also see here where you can report that you got some agreements signed. For those of you that are focused on buyers and tenants, this is where you would enter the number of rental agreements and buyer agreements signed. Not disclosures. This would be fee agreements and exclusive agreements. Written contracts, this is the number of pending. So if a buyer that you're working with or a seller that you're working with, when they sign a contract to sale and it's fully executed, this is when you'd record it. And of course, when you closed and bringing a check back, this is where you record it. So if you're bringing a rental check back, record that here. When you're bringing in a sales check, record that here. So I can save this. Okay. So that is how you update that's how you record your activities using the tracker. One other feature of this is these numbers are then recorded in what's called a multi-year trend report. So as you build your business month over month and then year over year, you'll have your daily activities there to show you the evidence and so you can get deeper insight on how your business grew. For example, how many appointments do you need to go on in order to take a listing? Well, when you update the tracker daily with how many contacts and appointments, it will be very easy to see your conversion rates when you look at your multi-year trend report. If you have any questions about this video or any other videos that we've done, please email coaching@kwnyc.com. That's coaching@kwnyc.com.